Excellency, you are in Aleppo at home. Could you say to our benefactor why the support is still needed for your people?
We are going to the fifth year of the war in Syria, and it seems that everybody is forgetting our hard situation. All the people of Syria is becoming poorer and poorer. So I have to do a call for everybody who is able to help, to support, especially children, women, for medical care, basket food, shelter. We need your support to can continue and to feel that we are not alone. There is somebody who is thinking about us to can continue and support.
Of course, we can assure you of our prayer, of our material support. What will be the most needed in the next year? You have winter now. What will be most needed for your people?
Of course, I will do a call for peace. Peace is able to help us to change, to have more security and stability. But what we need, as I said, for instance, it's too cold in Aleppo. We don't have fuel, we don't have possibility to have heating. So every support is good, welcomed for us.
You as a Chaldean bishop, you are supporting all people who are asking of the help.
Yes, of course, as churches and as Christians, we can't live alone. We can't take care only about our group. So from the morning to the evening, our doors of church and bishopric are open to welcome people, everybody, and the majority of Muslim people are supported because they know that the Christians are able to welcome. We have the sense of solidarity and the charity, so we do what we can every day.
What you are going to say, or would you like to say to the people in Europe, USA, who are watching this situation in Syria? It seems to be forgotten a little bit.
Yes, for me, Syria and all the Middle East are nice countries. We have to seek together, have a human being at an international level, to find a way of living together, a way to build peace, not to try to destroy for economical interests. It's not, there is no future for this politic. So we have to do what we can to build reconciliation and peace between the different groups.
And you mean it will be possible according to all suffer, which we are also seeing on the script, Grotus?
I think I don't know who is the Pope who said with war everybody is losing, but with peace everybody will win. So this is our convictions, and we try as Christians, because we don't have any interest by economical interest or political. Just we want to live with dignity, and we stay as Christians in those countries where the beginning of the church was very dynamic and present, and we have all the memory of the Bible, of the life of our Lord Jesus Christ. So in Europe, for me, it's important to not forget those realities.
You are working very hard, I know. A lot of people support your work. You see some sign of hope. You see the finalizing of this conflict.
I do what I can to do. As I said, to have peace and reconciliation. I don't see immediately the results, but what it helps me when I find people saying thank you, people helping each other with a big dignity, even if they are poor people. This is my deep consolation.
Did the international organizations support you, or they are forgotten you also?
Until now, we were very well supported.